kept your name and my coat in the pocket by my heart. The tea went cold on the table when the room fell dark. Your shadow stayed on the window like rain on old glass. I tried to move on easy, but the past came back. And every road I take turns back to you. Every night I pray you feel it too. My hands still know the shape of your goodbye. Tell me one more time, tell me why. Dara dilemin, don't leave me here. Dara dilemin, come back near. I still hear your voice in the empty air. Dara dilemin, stay right there. I walked past the river bridge where we used to stand. Your laugh in the cold wind still touched my hand. The market was busy tonight, bread in the paper bag. But every small thing I held turned into what we had. And every road I take turns back to you. Every night I pray you feel it too. My hands still know the shape of your goodbye. Tell me one more time, tell me why. Dara dilemin, don't leave me here. Dara dilemin, come back near. I still hear your voice in the empty air. Dara dilemin, stay right there. If you are far away, send one small sign. A broken star, a line of light. I would cross the years just to see your face, just to hold that moment, just to keep my place. Dara dilemin, don't leave me here. Dara dilemin, come back near. I still hear your voice in the empty air. Dara dilemin, stay right there. Dara dilemin, say my name. Dara dilemin, still the same. If you come back now, I'll be here. Dara dilemin, stay right here.